What's up, you amazing hackers? Hope you're doing well today. So the amazing guys at Portrigger brought us a new update for Burp Suite, and this one is update 2020.7. And in this update, they brought a built-in browser. Now, what does this exactly mean? So say, for example, you want to test your target, you're going to have to set up your proxy in the options here in Burp Pro itself, or in the community edition, of course. And you're also going to have to set up your proxy in your Firefox to point to Burp Pro. So in this version, you don't have to do that anymore. You can just go to the Proxy tab and then to the Intercept tab, and here you have the Open Browser button. And if you click it, you can see that a new browser window is going to open. Now this is a Chromium window because Chromium is like highly adaptable, and Chromium is like a spin-off of Chrome. It's like a branch. And it's also used a hell of a lot in test automation. So when I make any requests here, I'm going to go back to Burp Pro again. I'm going to put my Intercept on for you guys, just so you guys can see that any request that I make is being sent through here. So again, Intercept on, make my request, and here we go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, you know what to do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everybody. Bye bye.